Hi bling lovers, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. So today we'll be working on the sneakers. We'll be revamping the sneakers, and for this we'll be using just few materials. We'll be using our glue. I'm using E7000. You can use B6000, any glue. Then I'll be working with two colors of stones, black and silver stone. As you can see, I'm measuring the spaces where I'm going to place my black stones. So I want it to be at the center of the sneaker, so that's why I'm measuring 2 inches. So I'm trying to make sure that I get an accurate measurement for that. So that's what I'm doing. So when I'm done with that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is okay, you can see how I'm still trying to align everything so that I'll get a perfect measurement for it. So once I'm done, I'm going to apply my glue. I will be applying my glue in the direction I want to place my stone. Okay, so I'm trying to use the stones now to get the margins first. You can see how far I have gone. Once I apply my glue, I apply my stone at the same time. So I'm trying to get the margin. You can see I'm trying to get that 2 inches space perfectly. So once I'm done getting this 2 inches space perfectly, I will still use the black stone to cover the inside. So at the end of the day, the front view will be black, while the other side of the shoe of the sneakers would be silver. Okay, so that's actually what I'm trying to do. So I'll continue to apply the stones like that. It's not something difficult. What I'm using to pick this stone is called stone picker or picking pencil. It's structured in a way that can be able to pick up stone and you now place it anywhere you want to place it. That is what it's meant for. Okay, so it's not something difficult. You apply your glue, you apply your stone, and that is it. So you can see how far I have gone. I've gotten the margin. I've equally applied the stones to the glue at the center of the space and applied my stones as well. So that's actually what I'll be doing till I'm able to cover that whole space. So once I get this black space, this section perfectly well, all I have to do now is not to repeat the process of applying glue and applying stones on the other side, but this time around I'll be making use of silver stones. Okay, so this is a bit time consuming, but once you get started, like once you practice, you'll be able to you can start working faster as time goes on. Okay, so the essence of this video is just to let us know that we can actually turn any of our old shoes, old items in the house using rhinestone. Once you know the basic thing, the process, you'll be able to do something and create something amazing. This is something you can do at the comfort of your home. You can see how beautiful that black area is already looking. So I started applying the gold stone besides it. So I'm going to do this till I'm able to cover everything. So this is just a DIY that you can do. Is that do it for your kids, or you can do it for yourself. You can even create something and use this to establish a stream of income for yourself. Like this one I'm doing now, I'm actually making it for a client, and the clients actually paid me to do this. So it's not as if it's something you're just doing for doing sake. This is actually a business, and I'm giving you this tip for free. So you can actually do this with any of your footwears, and you see how beautiful it's going to turn out. Okay, so this is it. You continue with the process till you're able to finish everything. I want us to know that this is not something you can do in a day. It takes time. It's left for you to carve out the time you can use to do this, and by so doing you'll be able to create something at the end of everything. And there is a necessary precaution we still have to take. As you're applying this stone, you need to apply it in a direction that, as you're applying your glue, you need to check the direction that be convenient for you. Okay, so you apply and then hold it so that it's not going to affect the other areas that you've applied before. And after you're done, you just allow it to set and it will dry up. So that is what I have for you today. Please, if you have watched up to this level and you've not hit the subscribe button, you're not doing me any good. Oh, you're not doing me any good. You can actually do better. You see how far we have gone. You can see how this sneaker has changed from something basic to luxury. If you tell anybody that this is those sneakers that you just revamped to something luxury like this, nobody will ever going to believe you. And one amazing thing is that you can't see something like this in the market. So when you have that your creativity and you put that your creativity to work, you'll be able to create something. There is nowhere in the market that you go that you get this particular design of sneakers. It is custom made for a client. Are you understanding it? So instead of discarding your old shoes, why don't you turn it into something amazing like this? Hope you like what you're saying. Okay, so please do well to click the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload any new video. I hope this is impactful. You can try this later. Okay, do have a nice time. Thank you.